Okay, so I think this is another interesting questions to ask is how do you deal with client? Like in general as a client, sometimes we face client who are, not to just not to like be disrespectful, but quite tough for us to handle. How do you deal with that?
Generally, if uh, if the client isn't good for me in any way, they're not respectful towards me. How do you expect me to work with you, if you know what I mean? So I would usually not work with them. I would decline their commission, tell them I cannot work with them because of this. I would tell them the reason behind it, so they don't feel left out. That's the worst thing to do if you just unfriend them or block them out of nowhere. Of course, they wouldn't know the reason. So if I encounter any bad clients, of course I would just tell them the reason that I don't want to work with them anymore and the reason behind it.
So you said you are currently studying in high school and about to graduate. So how do you manage your time as a Roblox CFXer and a student as well? So, doing Roblox as a side hustle. How do you manage your time with that?
I usually put long wait times throughout every commission. So I'll just I have school, I have to focus on that. So that's why I put a long wait time between each commission, so I have enough time to finish each, and not try to rush each one. I think that's the best way for me to do it, and the only way for me to do it is just to put longer wait times. Yes, so I wouldn't give a fake promise to a client and just tell them I want to do it quick, but I have school and stuff, and yeah. Yeah, of course, 100%. It's super stressful. It does sometimes get unbearable. I'm gonna be honest, but I try to be fair to myself and just put longer wait times. And if the client would want it quicker, I would just say that I can't unfortunately do it because I have a very busy schedule.